time.
It's facing on me now.
Yeah, just fucking focus. Okay, you might want to.
You mean to move?
Yep.
Alright, move this way. It's hard.
You're right, sorry mate. Stand there because you got to weigh the boat.
Holy shit!
What
Oh
is
no, it's a huge stingray.
It's a ray.
Oh no, it's not. It's a
Shark.
It's a bloody.
What they call it? Jackson. What they call it? Jackson fucking.
No, it's
Port Jackson.
It's like a guitar shark or something.
Or at least you got something.
It's not recording.
Yeah, I got to record it.
I reckon I've got one of those too.
We caught one last time with Josh, Riley, one of them. He went with us. He elected not to come, but
Can you eat it?
no.
No.
What? Can you eat it?
I'm sure you could.
Can I go down or not?
Have to bring it in somehow. How are you going to unhook it and shit?
Yeah, I know, that's the thing. Have you got a,
Should we just cut it?
No, bring it in and do it properly. God,
do you want to move?
vandal.
I've got to move.
You're gonna have to stay there because of the weight of it, of the weight of the boat. That's the problem.
Put it on the fish?
Yeah.
Nice fish, mate. I thought it was a rock before.
Yeah, just bring it in. We're gonna get it out. There's a pliers there. Here. Yeah, get rid of that shit. Here, I'll lift it. Here, he's gonna lift it over. So just watch. He's gonna come over. Okay. Yeah, you use this. Yeah, you got the leader. Yeah. But don't do the tip. So you break tips. Okay, here, bring it here.
You got a,
Here, here's a hat. Here, you hold it. I'll hold the rod. You do that. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Let it off, let it off.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, record it now. There you go. There we go.
Pull it out. Pull the line. Grab my yellow handle. Oh, it's a good fish. Fuck, it's a good fish.
oh, mate. What'd you get?
I know, it's a long way off.
Do you want to move my line?
No, that's all right. Ooh, fuck. Yeah, you just realised.
Wait, I just had the rod just
Yes, the rod.
ease it off. Ease it off. Slow down. There you go.
I'm just going to let mine go like this too then. I want to wait.
Yeah.
Oh, Jace, mate, that is a nice fish.
Well, small rod.
I might take my line off, mate, Jace.
Yeah, take your line out. Got it, mate. Let him go, let him go.
I'm a big kingy, Jace.
Fucking quiet on it.
This is the best fish you've ever had, mate. This guy's looking too, Jace, on the other boat.
Yeah, you would be.
Sweet, Dad.
Pressure's on, mate.
We just playing.
Just let it.
You got time, mate.
Yeah, Jace. Just make sure it doesn't go to the rocks.
No, that's all right.
Oh, mate, that's a nice sized fish, Jace. Tire him out, Jace.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put the pressure
that's-
on him.
Yeah.
Don't pump it. Just put the pressure on him. Pressure on him. Whoa, mate. Jeez. How many kilos is that line?
20.
Fuck. Get up, Jace. Get my line ready. Fuck.
Fucking fighting.
Good, Jace. That's what you want. What a good fight. Guys are looking around now. Checking you out, Jace.
You gotta just be stable on the waves.
Another one of those things.
Oh my god.
Yeah, fucking heap of them.
What is it?
Same
Another
thing.
one?
Same thing.